Yay! Mickey's here! Let's put out the fire! Hi guys! Disney Toys Review here! Today we're unboxing Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Clubhouse's To the Rescue Fire Station! This fire station has so many fun things! It comes with Mickey and Minnie. You can climb ladders and train and do all sorts of fun things. Let's put out the fire! There's also the emergency fire truck, the emergency quad, and Mickey and Donald to the rescue! This includes 20 different accessories. Let's check it out! There's lots of labels included. Here's Minnie Mouse. She's in a cute fireman outfit. She also has this really cute pink bow on the top of her helmet. Here's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse has on a wide helmet. And look, he's also wearing his fireman uniform. Let's put together the fire station. Look, there's even a bell! We can also hook on some flames. Oh no, the fire station is on fire! This is a perfect size for our little kitty. Now we can rescue her. This fire station is so fun. The door opens so our fire trucks can get in and out. There's a fire hose. We can wind it up and roll it out. There's also a harness for Mickey to ride on. He's rappelling down the wall. There's a ladder that we can use in rescues. There's an office with the computer. There's a bed so Mickey can get some rest in between calls. We can also roll this up. Now we can see so many different medals for Mickey. Here we have a workout area. Come on, Mickey, let's stay strong. Good job! It's good to stay strong and healthy. We can also lift some weights. Go, Mickey, go! Great job! Here we have all sorts of equipment to put on our fire truck. Yay! Let's fill it up. Here we have a safety cone, a walkie-talkie, a flashlight, a megaphone, and some safety signs. Great! We can store them away for when we need them. Mickey's having so much fun. I wonder what Minnie's doing. Minnie's on the computer. It looks like we have a call. Hurry up, Mickey. Mickey's ready for action. Let's go. Oh no, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is on fire. Yay, Mickey's here! Let's put out the fire! Yay! The fire's out! Good job, Mickey! Oh, hi, Minnie, you're waiting for me. Hi, Mickey. Were you able to help put out the fire? Yeah, and it's a good thing I did. It was the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. No! Yeah, but everything's perfectly A-okay. Oh, I'm so glad you were there to help. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.